Free driver education to help you ace your driving test. Trubicars.
Hello everyone, this is Mandeep from Trubicars. In this video, we are in Cambridge, Ontario. So if you're going for your driving test, your G2 or your G driving test in Cambridge, Ontario, this video is going to help you out. We will cover some of the driving rules like stop signs, left turns, right turns, and help you prepare for your driving test. So let's get started. So anytime you're pulling away from a parked position, you are required to signal and shoulder check. So I'm going to signal left shoulder check, looks clear, and now we are good to go. From this stop sign, we are going straight, and this is always stop sign. So that means all directions have a stop sign. Going around parked cars, you can signal and shoulder check, and make sure you maintain your distance from parked vehicles. Don't go too close to parked vehicles. Speed limit sign on the right hand side, maximum 40 kilometers. So same thing here, I'm doing shoulder check and maintaining distance, going around the parked vehicles, and we're going to be turning right on the stop sign here. This is another always stop sign, so complete stop here. Looks like we are the only one here, no other vehicles, no pedestrians around. This car just came after us, so we get to go first. Okay, on the next intersection, we will be turning right. There is a speed limit sign on the right hand side, so it shows 40 kilometer ends. That's where 40 ends. And this traffic light here, we're gonna be turning right. So I will signal right. After this parking lot entrance, I can signal right. Right now the light is red, so we are slowing down, and I'm maintaining distance from the car in front of me. You need about car length distance. Now when the light turns green, the first thing we need to do is we need to check pedestrians on the sidewalk here on the right hand side. We also need to look for cyclists. So you basically want to do right shoulder check, make sure your right hand side is clear before you complete your right hand turn. You are allowed to turn right on a red light as long as there's no prohibited sign. But looks like the white car in front of us, they do not have any signal on, so I think they are going straight. And there's another vehicle behind me, a yellow car. So you always want to be aware of your surroundings. So far we see a green arrow for the left turns. So that's why the traffic in the left hand lane is turning. And now we're gonna do a shoulder check. Looks clear, so that means we are good to go. After your turns, look for a speed limit sign. So right now we see a maximum 60 kilometers. So we can drive around 57, 58. Okay, so on the next intersection, we will be turning left. So I'm going to signal left, and the light has changed, so I'm slowing down, and we will stop before the stop line. Looking in my rear view mirror and looking at the intersection as well. Oncoming traffic. So on this intersection, so far there is no pedestrian. We do have oncoming traffic now. So when the light turns green, we have to go in the intersection, let them go first, and after that we will complete our turn. Looks like the first car is already turning right. The second car is going straight. So we're just gonna go in the intersection here, let this car go first, check my left hand side, looks clear, no pedestrians, so that means we are allowed to we are good to turn left.
Free driver education to help you ace your driving test. Trubicars.